Hi besties, it's Amy, your click-through guru. I'm going to be taking you through how to go ahead and set up an auto signature on your Gmail outgoing emails. You've already taken the time to get all of those fabulous new besties interested in your product, so don't miss any opportunity to have them connect with you after they receive your email. All right, so let's begin. I'm going to start by taking my mouse and hovering over my Internet Explorer, and I'm going to open up a new window and go ahead and log into my Gmail account. Once I'm in my Gmail account, you'll see it's loading right now. Excuse my crazy mess of emails, but I'm going to go ahead and click on the right corner, right underneath my icon with my logo for Artisan Box. You'll see a small clock gear. There's an arrow just to the right of that, and I want you to go ahead and left click right on that clock gear. Once in there, you'll have the opportunity to scroll down to settings. Go ahead and left click again on settings. All right, you'll see a bunch of different tabs on the top. You're going to go ahead and stay in the general tab, and you're going to scroll down almost to the bottom where you'll see something labeled signature. The default for this will have a no signature, but we want to go ahead and add a signature. As you can see, I've already set up one for my Artisan Box, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to set up a different one under another one of my email accounts that I have flagged to my Gmail. And that's something that you'll learn through the Renae Christine way. Okay, so I've chosen to set up a auto signature for my love@alwaysbeautiful.com account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by going ahead and signing my name. And then what I like to do is I like to have a title. Of course, you can do your signature any way you please, whether it be with a inspirational quote. I'm just going to show you quickly how to do this. And you can choose whatever you decide to put in your signature. So I'm going to put down that my title is Your Confidence Granter. And my tagline for my business is See the Beauty in You. All right, and I want to go ahead also, and in between your confidence granter and See the Beauty in You, I'm going to go ahead and put my website. So www.alwaysbeautiful.com, and I'm going to left click and hold that left button down and scroll over so that I'm highlighting that website name. And I want it to be super easy for my clients, so I'm going to go ahead and add a hot button link to that. And you'll see almost looks like a paper link or a chain link, and it's already set up that it's going to link right to http://alwaysbeautiful.com. I can change this, remove it, or keep it as is, and I'm going to keep it. And one last thing that I wanted to show you besties, because besties help other besties out, is that you can actually go ahead and put icons for your Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, whatever social media icons that you want to put down there so they can directly link right to your page. So really quickly, I'm going to show you how to do that. You'll see a little photo where it says Insert Image. It almost looks like a little mountain in the backdrop there. Go ahead and left click right on that button. And it's going to bring up some different images that I've already loaded into Facebook from previously. I'm going to upload a new image, so I'm going to click not next to my drive, but upload, and I'm going to select a file from my computer. I've already saved these icons in a safe place for me to show you, and I've also gone in, and once I've saved the larger icons, I've gone into my editing software and edited this down to 50 by 50 PNG. And that sounds challenging, but we can go over that in another video. I just want to show you now how to insert these into your auto signature. So let's go ahead and put our Instagram on here. I'm going to left click and open. It's actually going to take it and put it right into my signature for me. So what I'll do at this point is, to make sure that it links to my Instagram account, is I'm going to left click and hover over the image so that you're selecting it, and I'm going to insert a link. Once I get to that, as you can see right now, it doesn't have anything. Before we had the Always Beautiful, it showed alwaysbeautiful.com right here. This right now just says a hashtag, a slash. So I want to change this so that I can put in my own URL. I've also opened up a document. You can use a Paint document or a notepad, and I've already listed all of my handles that I wanted to be able to include, so I can easily left click, drag, right click, copy, and go back and paste it right into the URL. Instead of where it says text to display, I'm going to delete that, because right now I have a picture and I don't want any text to show. So it'll just be the picture, and if they click on that Instagram picture, it'll automatically take them to my Instagram page for Always Beautiful. And if you'd like, you can go ahead and test this link. Sometimes I like to test it after, but you can also test it before. I'm going to hit OK, and there we are. And after this point, you can go ahead and add any other social icons, but for today I'm just going to show you this one. And I'm going to have, now that we're finished with our signature, and you could also add your email address here, your phone number, anything that you will find is the best way for them to get in contact with you. Once I like the way this looks, and I can actually go ahead and use some of the different characteristics here to underline or italicize your name, your title. You can really have fun with it. Use different fonts and make it your own. Okay, that looks great. So I'm going to go down, scroll all the way down to the bottom to where it says Save Changes. Go ahead and left click on Save Changes, and you'll see it pulled up, and it goes right back to our main mail page. Now, to show you what happens, I'm going to compose a message. I'll left click on Compose, and I'm going to drop down the arrow just to the right of my artisanbox@gmail.com. You'll see the opportunity to change the account that you are sending the message from. So I just created the signature for my love at alwaysbeautiful.com. So I'm going to click on that one to show you how it automatically pops up at the bottom of my email, and I can just go ahead and type an email to all of my friends and my besties. Hope they're having a great day, and I'm going to sign off by saying that this was super fun, and it was a little bit extra work, so I'm going to go have a chocolate mint cupcake, and I will see you guys next time that we have another Click Through Click.